Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the LG dryer, that too making noise in 2026. So we need to first of all understand the type of noise that you are hearing. The different sounds mean different problems. So if you are hearing a grounding sound, it means that the object is stuck or worn rollers is the problem. If you are hearing a thumping sound, it means that the flat drum rollers or uneven load is there. If there is a squeaking sound, it means that the idler pulley or the belt friction is not working properly. So the goal here is to match the sound to the source. So first of all, in order to fix it, you need to identify the sound pattern clearly. For that, you can run the dryer for a few seconds and then listen. Noise every rotation, it simply means roller issue. If you find continuous high pitch, it means that the pulley or the belt related issue is there. So pinpointing the pattern is going to save you a lot of time in order to basically fix it. So stop the dryer and then inspect it carefully. Look for any kind of coins, buttons or hard objects near the drum edges, as these can create the grinding or the rattling sounds. Afterwards, you need to run the dryer empty. If the noise remains, it confirms that the issue is internal and not load related. Then you just have to simply warm the roller, develop flat spots. This causes a repeated thumping sound. So replacing the rollers is going to restore the smooth rotation. The idler pulley keeps belt tension. So if it dries out or if wears, it basically creates the squeaking or chipping noise. Or you need to also inspect the belt for wear. Now sometimes the debris get into the blower wheel housing, so this creates unusual noise when the air moves, so you need to clean the area if needed. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.